Welcome back to my channel where we dive into the juicy details of pregnancy, birth, and breastfeeding. If you're here, you're likely celebrating 10 weeks of pregnancy, which is a huge milestone. Today, we're uncovering the incredible changes happening with your baby, some surprising symptoms you might not expect, and insider tips to help you thrive this week. So, grab your favorite snack, maybe something with ginger if you're battling nausea, and let's get started. Let's kick things off by talking about your tiny superstar. At 10 weeks, your baby is about the size of a cherry tomato. That's around 1.2 inches long, and they're growing faster than ever. Here's the exciting part. All the major organs are fully formed and starting to function. The brain is developing at lightning speed, and those little limbs, yes, they are moving like a mini dance party. What's even more amazing, your baby's bones are starting to harden and they're sprouting tiny teeth buds beneath their gums. Oh, and their unique fingerprints? Yes, they are forming too. It's like they're getting their first personal ID card. Now, let's talk about you because growing a human is no small feat. At 10 weeks, your symptoms might include the usual suspects like morning sickness and fatigue. But did you know that your sense of smell might be on overdrive? That's thanks to your hormones. It's like your body's superhero radar, keeping you away from anything potentially harmful. Another interesting symptom is increased saliva production. Yep, that's a thing. It's your body's way of protecting your teeth and gums during pregnancy. So here's a pro tip. Chewing sugar-free gum or sipping water with lemon can help keep it in check. All right, let's prep for your next prenatal visit. At 10 weeks, your provider might do an ultrasound to confirm your due date and check on your baby's growth. Seeing that little heartbeat flicker on the screen, it's just a magical moment you'll never forget. You might also be offered a non-invasive prenatal test, sometimes referred to as an NIPT. This is to screen for genetic conditions. It's a simple blood test that can also reveal your baby's sex. So if you're not ready for that info yet, just let your provider know to keep it a surprise. Now for my favorite part, tips to make this week awesome. First, focus on nutrition. Your baby's brain is growing like crazy, so load up on the omega-3s. Think salmon, walnuts, or chia seeds. And if you're not a fan, a prenatal supplement with DHA works wonders too. Second, start building your support team. Whether it's a doula, lactation consultant, or your best friend, having people in your corner makes all the difference. And third, invest in you. Start a journal to document your pregnancy journey. It's therapeutic and a keepsake you'll cherish forever. Plus, it's a great place to jot down any questions you might have for your provider. Before we wrap up, let me remind you, you're doing an incredible job. Pregnancy isn't easy, but you're showing up every single day for your baby. That's what makes you a rock star. So take it one day at a time, lean on your support system, and give yourself some grace. If you found today's video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with another mom-to-be who could use some encouragement. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss next week's guide. Spoiler alert, it's packed with more pregnancy goodness. All right, mama, that's it for today. Take care, stay hydrated, and keep being amazing. See you next week for week 10 update.